This student pilot lost her landing gear during her first solo flight. Just watch as she attempts an emergency landing.
Your right main is now missing from the airplane. It's fallen off the airplane. Say your intentions.
Can I circle back to land?
Affirmative. Are you a solo, ma'am?
I'm a student pilot solo, yeah.
Okay, it'll be okay. Just go ahead and circle the airport for now. Make a right turn to circle. We're going to get some people out to help you, okay?
Okay.
Maggie, this is John. How you doing?
I'm okay.
So Maggie, left side will touch down first, and you're just going to ease the right side down. It's going to try to pull to the right, so be prepared to use as much left rudder and left brake as you have to try to keep it on the center line.
All right.
Beautiful job, Maggie. You got a whole bunch of people clapping for you up here.
All right.
Good job, Maggie.